Hey there guys, welcome to Imperial Gardens. We're doing boxes of 11-12 Limited and 13-14 SPX for Steve and Michelle. So we'll start off with the Limited. So good luck. Okay, have a good night, Shane. Yeah, I gotta get some sleep soon too. But I got a lot of labeling to do still tonight. Got all the breaks from last week too, or from the last 2 nights. And case breaks to label. So here we go. So we got Matthias Tenby base. We got James Van Riemsdyk Ruby, 18/49. 18/49. We have a banner season insert of Pavel Datsyuk. And we have a Brothers in Arms of Nika Kiprasov and what was that? Something. Henrik Karlsson. Brothers in Arms. I already forgot about that Karlsson. And we have freshman jumbo rookie jersey, Brett Connolly. It's a draft position 1. 81/99. We got a rookie auto out of 299 of Mika Zibanejad. 38/299. And we got Herb's favorite player, Jonathan Quick base. Jonathan Quick base out of 99, and Nicholas Lidstrom out of 199 Stanley Cup insert. And onto your box of SPX. Hopefully we can get you an ice rookie on 99. So ice pack first. Ice rookie of Spencer Abbott. 9.99. Winning materials of Jeff Carter. All these Kings hits are just popping up everywhere now. We have a rookie gold foil, Ryan Murphy. Yeah. Maybe you'll get a McKinnon too. Got Ryan Murray, SPX Retro. We got Frederick Anderson gold foil. And it does look like it's a little dinged right there where my middle finger is. Around the bottom corner there. And a gold foil of Tyler Toffoli for the LA Kings. Tifo. We have an SPX rookie jersey auto, a Scott Lawn, $4.99. Maybe. We have a gold foil of Vladimir Tarasenko. And we have a retro Pavel Bure. We have a gold foil, Brendan Gallagher. Oh, nice. We have a retro autograph of Nail Yakupov for the Edmonton Oilers. I guess it's all yours anyways. So nice hit there, Steve. Nail Yakupov, rookie auto. Or SPX retro auto. You might have to sit on that for a little bit though, depending on where he goes back to. Got Hampus Lindholm. Hampus. And final pack. Yak, I think. It's good though. And we have rookie materials of Brendan Gallagher. And bait. So thanks, Steve and Michelle.